The babies are relatively tiny, less than a foot long. There's nothing to eat, except their mother's dung. It introduces healthy bacteria into their guts, and it also contains pheromones that, like smells, will enable them to find their mother's herd. It will lead them to the safety of the forest. But many dangers lie ahead for the young ichthyosaurs. After 2 days of trekking, the babies' reserves are running low, but their mothers have come to the rescue again, sprouting from seeds dropped in the mother's dung. But a new danger is heading their way: a Rajasaur. Cracks in the lava are the only possible hiding place. More Rajasaurs arrive. Despite the dangers, hundreds of babies succeed in reaching the forest. Here they will live together, hidden in the undergrowth,